7 brands are here at the Style Soiree exhibition by Arohi Events. It's happening at Gallery 105 Sindhu Bhavan Road for 2 days, that is the 5th and 6th of November. એમની પાસે બહુ જ beautiful, elegant and stylish collection છે. If you want something like this in heavy lehengas, in jewelry, if you want something in saris, something in heavy festive wear, something in western corsets, something in unstitched abhas, if you want festive wear like this, something in vintage or something in chikankari kurtis, then to check out the collection, you swipe left.
We continue with Arohi Gems and Jewelry. These are Mang Tikkas, Judas, some specs ring, some fusion bracelets, Indian bracelets, some beautiful American diamond wedding jewelry, statement neck pieces in American diamond. Then these are only bracelets, earrings. These are only American diamond jewelry, some Indian jewelry, and some bangles. And so this is again some Indian jewelry on Jadtar, very antique jewelry and very traditional jewelry. This is a Meena neck piece and earrings. It's only very light weighted jewelry with bracelets and kundan. This is a choker. These are some long jewelry. This is brand Sari Sisters.
Hello. This is our new bridal wedding collection. These are all handwork in tissue.
Okay, lovely.
We've got some of our love tissue collection back in stock. Also available on our website.
Very pretty.
So, our most loved Maharani collection in Katan silk. In color red. Yeah.
Okay.
This is also back in stock.
Okay.
Some few pieces left in our chiffon Jodhpuri handwork.
Chiffon Jodhpuri.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are some few pieces left. Then I have pieces left in this party wear collection.
Okay, that is also pretty.
Comes
So
with
party wear मा
beautiful
जो है. Okay.
And some last.
This is brand Shades by Hina.
Hi, so this is Hina from Shades by Hina. So this time they've got festive collection. This is in pure silk with tissue dupatta. Again, this is in pure silk with tissue dupatta. This is in Manchanderi, the collection what I am wearing.
Right.
Yeah. So we have got in Gotapati as well.
Very pretty.
Yeah. And then we have got in West, like spaghetti style.
Yes.
Yeah. And then Western quads.
Okay.
Sizes are available.
Sizes are available in this.
And this is pure linen. This is party wear.
Okay.
And again, this is somewhat into Western kind. In boho style.
Boho style. Okay.
This is in Georgette. And even I have linen tops.
Linen tops also.
Yeah.
Okay.
Of
This is Dijo by Dipali, and let's have a look at their collection.
Hi. Today we have Indo-Western dresses, fish cut skirt.
Okay.
We also have dresses for haldi.
Okay.
We also have corset anarkali.
Corset anarkali. Okay.
We also have fusion dresses for
That's
Sangeet
pretty.
and wedding.
Okay.
And one of I am wearing organza sari and Banarasi blouse.
Lovely.
We also have saris.
Saris. Something like this. Okay. થોડું plain pastel colors માં જોઈતું હોય તો પણ મળશે. Okay. That's pretty. Blue color.
We also have dresses, ethnic dresses.
Ethnic dresses છે. Okay. All right.
Yeah. We also have lehenga for Sangeet.
Lehengas for Sangeet. Okay. This is brand Arohi Gems and Jewelry. Hi, so this is Meghna here from Arohi Gems and Jewelry. We have beautiful Indian jewelry like bangles, American diamond bangles, then some wedding jewelry. These are some Indo-Western jewelry. This is statement wedding jewelry.
Okay.
Only malas,
Only malas like
some
these.
kadas,
Kadas.
some silver look like, some silver look like earrings. These are just serving spoons, decorative serving spoons, very good for gifting on stainless steel and brass. Finger rings.
This is brand Krupa's creation.
हमारे पास खाटवर्क में ड्रेसेस है 2XL से 5XL तक साइजेस मिल जाएगी सर.
Okay.
इंडो वेस्टर्न में ऐसा है, बनारसी में कैजुअल में थोड़ा ट्रेंडी,
Okay.
टिश्यू में है,
Tissue.
अगेन अजरक विथ खाटवर्क है,
Ajrak with hard work.
फिर इंडो वेस्टर्न फील्स कट,
Okay.
लाइक दिस.
Okay.
बनारसी में है हमारे पास,
Banarasi. Okay.
फिर जैकेट है इंडो वेस्टर्न में खाटवर्क.
Jackets.
आवाज है हमारे
Abhas
पास.
hai unstitched. Okay. All right. And they also have. This is brand Bamis Couture.
This is the color option.
Okay. So she's also got some heavy good sets
in
here.
tissue.
Something in tissue.
Something in Malchandari also.
Malchandiri.
Again in tissue.
Okay. Something in tissue. Very good bright colors. Okay. This is nice.
Something in bandage panda.
Bandage. Okay.
In handwork corset.
Handwork corsets.
Something in pastel colors also.
Right. That's pretty. Okay.
Right. In mal corset.
Mal corset. Okay. This is brand Indie Aura.
Hi, this is brand Indiora by Ritu Acharya. These are
Okay.
my collection.
Okay.
आप इसको कभी भी पहन सकते हैं. It's a very very much comfortable.
All on
saree.
Ajrak.
All are natural color.
Okay.
ये हमारा पहचान है, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं.
Okay.
And now we have collected
Yes. Now let's have a look at their other collection.
chicken curry.
Chicken
Look at
curry.
the color. Baby pink.
Something
With
in pink
little
like
bit
this.
work.
Little bit of work done.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is the white and
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Okay.
Yeah, you can wear with the office wear, jeans, casual.
Right. Okay.
And we have set as well.
Something in sets. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.